Welcome to Engineering 408, Engineering Leadership Principles. This is the fall of 2018, and we love to have you on our team. It's been reported by many students that this course was one of the most valuable in their academic career. The knowledge, awareness, and skills that you will develop can be pivotal in your career as an engineering leader. This online course is based on both self-study and teamwork. The team-based projects will give you an opportunity to try out your skills and get constructive feedback on how well you do as a leader. Before we get started, let me introduce myself and our teaching assistant. My name is Mike Erdman, and I'm the Walter L. Robb Director of Engineering Leadership Development here at Penn State. I've been in that position for a little over 6 years, and I've enjoyed working with tremendously talented faculty, staff, and students. Prior to coming here, I was a technology manager for the Lockheed Martin Corporation and also for General Electric, primarily developing nuclear reactors for submarines. My career actually began as an engineer for Rocketdyne, building rocket engines for manned spaceflight. I received my BS in engineering science at Penn State and my MS in mechanical engineering at USC. I pursued additional graduate studies at RPI, Union College, short courses at UCLA, UC Santa Barbara, Dartmouth, MIT, and others. I completed the management development courses at Crotonville with GE and Emory College with Lockheed Martin. GE and LMC selected me to be a campus recruiter, and I did that for 25 years. 20 of which were at Penn State. I was elected to chair over a dozen community organizations and several alumni groups. I'm a qualified instructor in a number of personal development programs such as MBTI, and I'm a black belt in Lean and Six Sigma, and also an elected member of the Penn State Alumni Association's Alumni Council, and past president of the Penn State Engineering Alumni Society. My wife and I run our own small business in our spare time, breeding and raising golden retrievers. Our teaching assistant is Mary Walker. Mary got her BS in industrial engineering with a minor in engineering leadership development in May of this year, and she's pursuing her Master of Engineering in Engineering Leadership and Innovation Management, which she will be graduating from in December. Mary's been a TA for this course for several semesters, including online this past summer. So let me ask Mary to add in some personal comments and thoughts.
Hi everybody, my name is Mary. I'm an industrial engineer out of Penn State. I just graduated in May 2018. I also have a minor in engineering leadership development, and I'm currently pursuing a master's of engineering in engineering leadership and innovation management. I plan to graduate in December 2018. As Mike mentioned, I've been in this teaching intern role for Engineering 408 for a few semesters now. You're actually my 10th section of the course. I've been in this role since fall 2016. If you have any questions about the minor, industrial engineering, or even the master's program, I'm here to help answer questions, and I look forward to meeting all of you virtually for this class. I will be located in State College for this fall, so if you do want to meet up at any time, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm more than willing to meet you in person or virtually if you're not at UP campus this fall. With that said, I look forward to working with you all this semester.
So, back to your duties as a student in this fascinating course. Your first task should be to review the syllabus and the material on Canvas for the course. If you're not familiar with Canvas, there is some help available for you at the start of the lesson. In fact, if you open the module for the course, the first module, and click on the left side of the window, you'll be able to open the Welcome and How to Succeed in Engineering 408 tab. You'll see some initial assignments and recommendations on how to make this a successful semester. The modules section of Canvas will lead you through each week. The course is organized on a weekly basis with all weekly requirements due on Tuesday night at midnight, except for individual discussion posts that are due on Sunday night at midnight. That allows time for peer review and comment that's going to be due on Tuesday at midnight. In addition, students must meet at least weekly with their project groups to work on the project. Any communication with the instructor or TA must be via email. Posts in Canvas responding to submittals may or may not be seen by the instructor or TA in a timely manner. Each student will be given at least one opportunity to lead the project team to get leadership experience and feedback. This will be a 2-week-long assignment, which will include leading the team meeting, organizing some of the activities for the team, and providing a 5 to 10 minute video report to the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, which will be either me or Mary. This 5 to 10 minute video, is not a video of your team meeting, but rather a distillation of the work you've done during the week, the status of the team relative to the plans and goals, and what will be done over the next week, any issues that you have as a team, and how you will address those issues. Consider this as practice in giving such a report to the company president or CEO of your organization for the first project that you may lead in your new company. A few words on your project team. Likely you'll have 5 team members on the group, and you'll be assigned a coach, a student who is in the ELD minor and has shown good leadership skills and can be expected to help you work on the project as well as working through some of your team concerns and issues. Relative to that, expect that you will meet your coach at least once every other week, and better would be if you met weekly. This will help you learn some of the technology associated with your project, as well as talk about some of the team activities and interactions. Secondly, each team will have a project associated with the Penn State Baobab pulp processing machine. There are files on work done previously on Baobab. They are on Canvas, and I encourage you to look on the web to learn about this fascinating tree and fruit, and also to review those prior reports. Just as some background, number 3, just some background, Baobab is prevalent in sub-Saharan Africa, and we've distributed earlier versions of this machine to a dozen countries in Africa, in sub-Saharan Africa. It's possible that a few students from this course may be invited to join us when we deliver a machine this coming March. We'll discuss that in more detail as the semester proceeds. So, this is the kickoff of your fall adventure. Mary and I wish you the very best, and we look forward to working with you. Send us an email with any questions you may have, and good luck.